1950 F10 Pfennig coin from Germany. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Visual images of post-war Germany. In 1950, the 1950 F10 Pfennig coin was minted in post-World War II West Germany, a period of reconstruction and economic recovery. The F mint mark indicates it was struck at the Stuttgart Mint. Coins like this reflect both the history and resilience of Germany during the early years of the Federal Republic. Visual show obverse and reverse of the coin. Obverse features the denomination 10 Pfennig with oak leaves on either side, symbolizing strength and endurance. Reverse shows the federal eagle, Germany's national symbol, with the inscription BUNDESREPUBLIK Deutschland along the rim. The simple but elegant design represents German pride and stability. After the war. Visual coin specifications: overlay metal, copper nickel, weight 2.5 g, diameter 21 mm, edge smooth. Millions of these coins were circulated, making them common, but their condition and mint mark affect their value to collectors. Visual circulated versus uncirculated coins. Circulated 1950 F10 Pfennig, modest value. Uncirculated or high-grade coins, more desirable. Tips: store coins in protective holders, handle by edges, and check for minting errors, which can greatly increase value. Visual coin spinning or displayed in a collector's case. The 1950 F10 Pfennig is a small coin with a big story about Germany's post-war recovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support rare coins and lost antiques. See you in the next video.